You thought it was your fault. Not enough money, no knowledge, always the wrong time. But what if the system, what if they want you to think exactly that? That investing is too risky, too complicated, only for others? Financial media, shocking graphics to clickbait with your fear. It's a well-oiled machine, the best strategy for some banks. A customer who leaves their money sitting us and never invests. It's no accident that you're afraid of money. Who benefits from this? When you put your hard-earned money into your account every single month and wait and watch as it slowly loses value?
What if all this time I just never really asked?
There's no dark conspiracy by the powerful, just an uncomfortable truth. Those who understand how money works invest. Those who hesitate, who remain ignorant, pay the price. Subscribe to Learn 4 Finance. Find the truth behind the myths. Make your own decisions.